Okay, no more dancing. No more dancing. Tomorrow again. Ano, Shokson tomorrow. Because it's already morning. Tomorrow morning, guys. We end now. Yes, Rocker, we end. It's time for us to sleep. Thank you so much for the joining my membership. The silent. Yes. Sleep good, yes. Have a sweet dream to all of us. Thank you so much, Jem. Thank you for joining my membership. Also, AJR, thank you so much. If I got 10 membership, I will do membership live. Private. So, si Mink, umalis na si Mink. Mink, he lives in, where he lives. I forgot where he lives. Rest well, Jaja. Thank you, Shoksan. Thank you so much. Before, guys, I was doing for my membership. I don't know if it is okay now. Maybe again I will demonetize because before I'm wearing panty. Before in my membership, I was wearing panty. You want to get me a membership? Sure. GS Rocker, why not? If you do that, I will be very happy. So I will think about what I can do for my membership because before I was wearing panty and my channel is demonetized. Before my membership live, I'm wearing panty and then my channel is demonetized. My dollar sign is gone. So now I don't know what I can do for my membership live. I will check. Yeah, I will check. So it's time to say goodnight. YouTube, God's hate beautiful woman, of course. Ayan na, JS Rocker Shockson, the silent viewers, to all of you, Greg. Thank you so much. Greg is already, he went to the store. AGR, thank you to all my viewers. Thank you so much. And thank you for joining my membership. Good night, everyone. Thank you for the support every night and day. Thank you for the support to my two channel. My Lady Jaja and Lady Peanut. All lady. My channel, it's all lady. Yes, Rocker, thank you always. Shockson, thank you always. The silent viewers, thank you always. You're the best. All of you, it's the best. Bye-bye. Love you very much. I feel sleepy also. I love you very much. This not Joe. Lucky to have you, all of you guys. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite you. Bye-bye. Sign up na ako. Shockson, I'll give you kiss.